Welcome to the journey on legal, policy, and governance aspects of ecosystem restoration, your practical guide to understanding the economic, legal, and institutional realities that shape restoration success. It's easy to focus on what to restore or even where to restore. But restoration rarely fails because we planted the wrong species or picked the wrong site. More often, it fails because the enabling environment isn't strong enough. Land rights are unclear, policies conflict, coordination is missing, or the legal framework lacks the teeth to turn plans into action. This journey is about filling that gap. You will learn how to assess whether the right conditions are in place for restoration to thrive, and if they are not, how to build them. We will unpack three essential areas. First, institutional, policy, and legal frameworks that can either enable or hinder action. Second, land tenure systems that shape who has the rights and responsibilities to restore, benefit from, or obstruct progress. And third, strategies for building support by identifying gaps, validating them with stakeholders, and prioritizing the improvements that matter most. Because restoration isn't just a technical challenge, it's a governance challenge. Let's start at the beginning. How do you know whether your current frameworks are actually supporting restoration or holding it back?